digital space. Hearts in sync with fading stars. We're running fast, but going nowhere far. Engines hum like memories, lost between what was and what will be. The night keeps calling our names in glow. Through endless streets we overflow. Static in my veins tonight. Your silhouette in ultraviolet light. Every second feels like forever. We're stuck between now and never. We are neon echoes in the dark, burning bright, believing sparks, racing time in broken dreams, living fast in laser beams. We are shadows made of light, fading slowly every night. Hold me close before we're gone in this retro future dawn. City sleeps but we stay awake. Hearts too loud for silence to take. Billboards crying hologram tears, selling hope, selling fears. Your hand feels like a memory from another reality. We kiss beneath the glowing signs, love in borrowed space and time. The world spins in slow delay, like an old tape starting to play. Every beat a flashing frame, every breath calls out your name. Wires wrapped around our souls, searching for what makes us whole. Lost inside electric dreams, nothing's ever what it seems. We are neon echoes in the dark, burning bright, believing sparks, racing time in broken dreams, living fast in laser beams. We are shadows made of light, fading slowly every night. Hold me close before we're gone in this retro future dawn. If the sun never rises again, would you stay in this endless neon rain? If the world shuts down tonight, would our love still glow this bright? Running from tomorrow's past, trying to make this moment last. We don't know where we belong, but together feels like home. The streets are singing binary prayers, ghosts of yesterday in the air. Every memory's a fading screen.